डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे लेसन 7। आज का टॉपिक है परमुटेशंस व्हेन ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर नॉट डिस्टिंक्ट। फॉर्मूला इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स factorial by individual repeating times factorial. Same formula in words arrangement. Total number of letters factorial divide by individual letters repeating times factorial. Example 1, number of arrangement of letters of word R double O T. Since in root total number of letters is 4 and O repeated 2 times, therefore required number of words equal to total number of letters, that is 4 factorial, divide by individual letters repeating times. The letter O repeat 2 times, so 4 factorial by 2 factorial, and after simplify we get answer is 12. Example 2, find how many arrangements can be made the letters of word mathematics. Mathematics, there are 11 letter in given words. M appears 2 times, A appears also 2 times, and T appears 2 times. The formula of total number of arrangement of given letters is equal to total number of letters factorial divide by individual repeating times. So total number of letter is 11. So 11 factorial divide by individual repeating times. M repeat 2 times. So 2 factorial into A repeat 2 times. So 2 factorial into T appears 2 times. So 2 factorial. And after simplify we get the answer. Example 3, find the number of permutations of the letters of the word in the given words. In the given words, A appears 4 times, L appears 2 times, and rest of letters are distinct. Therefore, the required number of arrangement equal to 9 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial, and after simplify we get answer is 7560. Example 4. Find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence. In given letters, there are 12 letters and appears 3 times, E appears 4 times, and D appears 2 times, and rest are all distinct. Therefore, required number of arrangements equal to 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Example 5. In how many way can be the letters of the word be arranged? Total letters is 6. E appears 3 times. Therefore, number of arrangements equal to 6 factorial upon 3 factorial, and after simplify we get 120. Example 6. In how many ways can the letters of the word that is given be arranged so that all the s are together? For any letters together, we arrange all as together and remaining letters are. Now we counting for this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and whole bracket is count as 1. For together, we counting this way: whole bracket count 1 and remaining letters. In remaining letters, A appears 3 times, I appears 2 times, and N appears also 2 times. In bracket, S appear 4 times. Now, therefore the required number of ways is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial into, again, inside the bracket there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 factorial, and these are repeated 4 times, so also divide by 4 times, and after simplify we get